Department for the Station 11, 103 Sandpiper Cove in Duck. On the street, Oyster Center Lane.
I didn't mean for it to bring the whole truck. It's just that it's been chirping since about 2 o'clock this morning. It's
What's
right
picture?
there.
Just this one detector right here?
Just right there.
Okay. When's the last time you changed the batteries?
I don't
anyways?
remember.
Okay. It looks a little bit old. Probably a good time to go ahead and change them.
In the absence of home sprinkler systems, smoke detectors are your best defense and our best action in decreasing fire loss. We urge our citizens, rental companies, and non-resident homeowners to do 3 things. First, change your batteries. Best to do with the time change in the fall and the spring. Secondly, check your smoke detectors monthly. And last, turn over your smoke detectors, check the date, and please replace any smoke detectors over 10 years old. Duck Fire has 2 other programs. Our Knox Box program, a special key that's located on your property where we may access your house in an emergency or in the event you can't come to the door in an emergency. And last, our reflective sign program. We encourage all homeowners in Duck to get a reflective sign that goes at the street side so that we may see your home in an emergency in the evenings. Duck Fire Department is here to keep you safe. Help us help you. Check those smoke detectors, consider our Knox Box program, and get a reflective sign.